Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. By the way, before we even start, yes, I'm talking to you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, the SP500, what it done today here, we stay in here some. There is nothing new here at that level where we are, and today is Monday, guys. You need to remember that. Only thing what me I told you in yesterday video, I told you like that, and we got here a very clear wage here. Yeah, no, the SP500 hasn't breaking up here, so there is nothing new here, and it hasn't breaking down here, so there is nothing new here. You need to wait in more, guys. You can make even here, you came here, you can make like that a trend line here. Even the trend line here, it hasn't been broken. So either you wait in the break to happen here in the top for you to enter long, or you wait in that one here, you came, you do it like that, you wait in like that. And me, I prefer that one here, because that one is going to be more accurate, because it's going to break the first one, the trend line here, and it's going to indicate and it's going to break even the last high, which is here. That's why me, I told you that one here, you came, you draw in here a wage, because that wage, as I told you, is going to break the trend line, which is coming from up here, and it's going to break for you the last high, which is here. That's for the long. For the short, is the same thing. For the short, you came here, because for the short, you are in a down channel, and if the break happen here, like that, if the market came and breaking down here, you're going to enter short. Because if we zoom in out like that, look with me, if we zoom in out like that, what we see in here, you are in a down channel here, very clear down channel here. So you came down here and you connecting those dots. If that one breaking down here, that's when it's going to fall down to touch the lower of that channel. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So what should you do in the SP500 here? There is nothing to do. Just wait. And me, I'm thinking till Wednesday, till the Fed is going to tell us the decision about the interest rate. And me, I tell you in yesterday video about the banking system and the banking collapsing those days. I told you there is more than 194 banks in USA. It might well face bankruptcy. That's a huge number, plus the credit Suisse. So there is big number of banks. Maybe they are going to face bankruptcy, so that one is a huge number. That's why I told you it's not yet, and I give you the price action where to enter long and where to enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, we come in from a divergence here, very clear divergence here. Second thing, our indicator is very close to touch here the overbought area, so also we still waiting here that break here. If it happen here and breaking above here, we'll enter long and we will go with it again. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the SP500 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the SP500 giving us something new here. Look with me here. It give you here a head and shoulder, guys. Very clear head and shoulder here. The neckline for that one is it here. Yes or no? And for yesterday video, what me I told you here. People, they been with us, they remember that. I told you we got here like a small wage like that. Look at it where it's getting broke. It's breaking here. If you watch in Sunday video, we'll have you enter from here. Till now, we'll have you make a nice profit here. So for the people they haven't entered, you got here a head and shoulder, very clear. I'm not drawing top of it for picture to get more clear to you. The neckline for that one is it here. Look at it here. It's need that one to come to break above here, then the SP500 will go in upward again. Picture is too clear, guys. And here in 30 minutes you got an up channel, very clear up channel. Look at it. So that one maybe is going to go to touch the top here, but today is Monday. You need to wait in at least till tomorrow, then making a decision based on that. So now what shall you do for the long? I'm going to show you. For the long, it's need to come to break here. I'm talking here about 30 minutes. If it came breaking above here, you enter long. For the short, if it came down here, look at that, that one here, it's need the market to fall down to break down here, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator was it saying. Our indicator, as you see it started entering here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for short. Should you enter short now from that level here? At this moment, no, we don't got any price action here. The market it try to give us here a double top. If it give it to us and breaking the neckline here, yes, maybe you can enter short, but just to here, to that last low, which is here, that one. But for big falling, it's need the market to fall down to break for you here, the lower of that trend line here. I want to show you in the 4 hours. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. That one here, we tell it to you that 2-3 days we got here a very clear double bottom here, and it's breaking for us the neckline here as you see it. So that one is indicating the market is going to go more higher than that. I tell you all that before. Now what should you do here at that level? You remember yesterday video watch me, I told you here. I told you you came to that peak, that one here, you do it like that, and lower you came here and you do it like that. You got here a very clear wage here. I told you it's need the market to break above here for you to enter long. For the short, it's need to fall down, tail down here for you to enter short. Or another scenario, the market to give you here a price action, to give you here a double top or triple top or triangle or something like that, indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now, we don't got nothing here indicating the market is going to reverse, so we need to wait in. And we don't got nothing here telling us the market is going to go more higher, because it's need at least to break here that level here for us to know the market is going to go more higher. So it's need to break here. Till now the market is showing is it flat here in that level, so there is nothing new here, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So technically you need to looking for short, but the price action, you don't got any price action here telling you need to enter short. You need to wait in more till you got a clear price action here, a double top or something here, that maybe you can base your trade on that. But now you don't got nothing here, so you need to wait in more till the right moment came. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the Nasdaq 100 is doing something different here. You remember what me I told you here about that one? I told you waited till it's getting broke here. It's getting broke. No, look at it. Till now we haven't broken down here. So we need to wait till more. Another thing here in 30 minutes, we got here a very clear flag here. Look at it. Very clear flag. If you came here, you got here a very clear flag. That one, for you to trade it, it needs to break above here in that level. Or another scenario, it needs to come down and to break here in that level. Did it break? It doesn't break up, it doesn't break down. Till now it's showing the market is staying sideways here, so there is nothing yet. We need to wait in more days till the right moment came, either to come to break for us that trend line us we've been talking about here. That one here we got, as you see it how I draw it. You can make it even an up channel like that. As you see, you are now in the lower of it here. Either it's going to come to break it down here and you enter short, or for the top, it's need to come to break for you the top of that flag I just show you now. That flag here, you see it how clear it is. It's need the market to come to break here. That is going to indicate the market is going to continue it upward, and me are thinking the Nasdaq 100 is going to continue it upward, but the SP 500 I think is going to make a correction. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. Here in 4 hours, what I told you in the last video. I told you for the long, it's need to come to break for us above here in the top of that trend line. Did it break? No, there is no break above here. So us technically also still in a downtrend. And for the short, what I told you either you came here, you draw in here, a line like that, and it's going to be the neckline for that head and shoulder, that one here, as I showed it to you before. It's need to come to break lower here for you to enter short. Or I told you something else. I told you need to be focused about that level here, or that supply and demand zone here, if the market is going to break it or no. Till now it hasn't break it, so us we still early for us to make a trade based on that. But me personally, I think already break here, that wage here, I'm going to enter short or long. It's need to break for me here down, or to break for me up here. Then I'm going to make a base trade on that, either down or either up. So till now there is nothing yet. We need to wait in more till the right moment came. And also we came to you every day, so if there is any opportunity, we're going to give it to you. So till now here is 4 hours, there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. So technically now you need to look it for buy, because our indicator is it here at the oversold area level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Third thing for you to enter long, it's need the market to come to break here, that level here. So if it hasn't broken here, there is no entry longs. You need to wait till more. Or if it's breaking down here, you can enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see what the DXY or US dollar doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the last video, what I told you? We be in here. I told you we got here that downtrend. And here, I told you that in Sunday, we got here a symmetric triangle. Look at it. It's getting broke here. So here in 30 minutes, we'll dive you enter. Look, tell where tell. Now we'll dive you are in very nice profit now. Now for the people they haven't entered from here, exactly. What should you do now? You got here. Look with me. The downtrend here. And down here, you got the lower of that wage here. Either it's going to break here and you enter short, or that one to come up and to break above here and you enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. So this is our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area for some time now. Should you enter long? Not yet, my friend. Yes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone and everything, but till now the market, it hasn't broken above here. So till now there is nothing yet. It's need the market to come till here and to break above here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry, so you need to wait in more till the right moment came to you. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, people they been with us. They remember we used to have here a flag when it's getting broke. Here we enter long. And what I told you in the last video, I told you we got here a very clear wage like that. Look at it, very clear wage here. I told you if the market breaking down, you enter short. If the market breaking above here, enter long. And I told you the stop loss of you put it down here in that level here or here. That for the short you put it here, for the long you put it here. Till now, did the Bitcoin breaking above or no? No. Till now the Bitcoin hasn't breaking above and hasn't breaking down. And another thing here, look at it. The Bitcoin now it give us here a very clear double top here. Should we enter short? Till now, no, because it hasn't breaking for us the neckline here. So that for the short, it need to break for us the neckline of the double top here. For the long, it need the Bitcoin to come to break here the top of that wage here. Look with me how I started. I came, that one here, and that one here. That the top of that wave. For the down, where is it? Look with me here. I'm going to do it. You came to that one here, and you make here a wage to those ones here. You got a very clear wage here in 30 minutes. So you wait in the break to happen either down here to enter long or either up here to enter long. Till now there is nothing, and today is Monday. I don't think so it's going to break. Maybe by night after that video, maybe it's going to happen a break, but now there is nothing new here. It's our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator is give us here a very clear divergence here. Look at it. Very clear divergence here. So you enter short? Not yet, my friend. It's need to come to break for us that double top here. If it came a breaking for us the neckline here, yes, you can enter short, but till now there is nothing new here. Also, we are in a sideways market. Look at it, very clear and flat market. If it came a breaking lower here, you can enter short. If you enter short based on the double top, stop loss you put it here in the top. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.